Okay, jump off. Oh, I missed it. I missed it.
You guys don't finish up.
Okay, your turn. Just step on it. Oh, yeah. Woohoo!
Ooh, he got a soccer shoe too. Yeah.
Your turn. Ready? Oh my God, this is so good. Oh, you missed it. Oh my God. Ready?
Kick it to Grandpa.
So good.
Oh, Grandpa missed it.
You missed it. Why you good? I'm no good. Oh. Kick it. I got it. Your turn. Yeah. Oh yeah, no. I'm moving. Wow. You're so good. Woo. Kick it harder. There you go. Back up a little bit. Okay, right there. Ready? Stop it! Oh, I missed it. Ready? Go! Stop it! Oh, yeah! Oh, I missed it. You're so good. Now, here. Okay. Okay, come here. Okay, Papa. Say, Papa, I'm good. Step on it. Step on it. Put your feet on it.
Go like this.
Yeah. Kick it. Say, Paul, kick it. Okay. Put your feet. Put your feet on it. Put your feet step on it. Then you go like this. Then you go like this. Like that. Paul gonna take picture. Stand there, okay? Stand there. We're gonna take picture right here, like that. Okay, good. Okay, good. Go like hands out like this. Okay, Paul. Say yes. You go like this.
Look at Papa.
Yeah, like that. Look at Papa. Yes. Two hands like this. It's so good, man. Oh yeah, you go like that. Yeah, perfect. Put your feet in there. Put your feet in the ball. And then go like this. Look at ball. Look at ball. Woo!
Smile. Ooh, he's so cute.
Now kick it.
Kick it.
Oh yeah.
So good. Yay.
Can you say thank you to Grandpa? Thank you. High five.
Go Paul, good teacher, huh?
Yeah, Grandpa's a good teacher.